Good morning and welcome once again to Harding's Wealth Managers on this Friday morning, the 8th of May. Hope everyone's well out there and that you're keeping safe. You may be able to see I've got a bit of a red face suntan thing going on. Well, as you know, I enjoy going out and playing some golf, and yesterday afternoon was an absolutely gorgeous day. So I took a few hours and got out there in the fresh air and the sunshine and really enjoyed myself. It was a good time with a couple of friends. Yeah, a very good time indeed. Well, in Monday's video, or was it Tuesday's video, I mentioned this level that we're in right now in the spider, 280 to 285, 290. Well, that's where we've been all this week. It looks like we might break out above the 290 level today and get to 291. At least that's where we seem to be opening, despite the fact that the April's job report, unemployment report, reported that 20.4 million people filed for unemployment in April, which is the largest ever amount on record. And the unemployment rate, I believe it went up to 14.3% or 13.4%, one of the two, which is the largest rate since the Great Depression. But despite that, the market is up this morning, and I think it's basically, as I mentioned before, it's because it's priced in the news, knowing or surmising that this is where we're going to be getting. Now, should things get worse, the market may not have priced that in, and we may see a move back down to some support levels, one of which is a pretty strong one, which is actually sitting at 272 right now, and 277. Those are two pretty strong support levels that the markets could go down to, the S&P or the spider, that is, but whether or not that's going to happen I don't know for sure. But as I mentioned, this week we've been bouncing back and forth between that 280 level and 287 in the spider. And I mentioned that we were in this sort of trading channel or channel at the moment, and it may well be that we will be there. We've actually kind of been in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The past 15 trading days we've been working within that channel, 280 to 280, 85, 87 on the spider. So it was going to break out some way or other. It's either going to break out downwards or it's going to break out upwards, but as we're knocking our heads against the top of that channel, and today seems to be a good day, I think we may break out from here, and if we can hold on to the gains that we have, then we'll be sitting above that 287 line, which is another support resistance line, and next above that is 297, which is the 200-day moving average, and also the 291 level, which is the 61.8 retracement level for the Fibonacci from our highs to lows for the year. So those are the kinds of things that I'm kind of looking at as far as levels are concerned, and that's, as you know, and as I've mentioned in all my videos in the past, this is the kind of thing I do, and you will have seen, if you've watched all the videos, that I've been able to be reasonably spot on as far as where these support and resistance levels are, and also report that they have been hit and moved off of, either up or downwards, on numerous occasions. It's interesting, very interesting to me, how these things occur, and the patterns that can be formed, and just studying them can help greatly, particularly if you're trading individual stocks or indexes. Indexes are a little bit easier, I think, because there's a lot more in them. I have 500 stocks in the S&P 500, and the spider tracks the S&P 500. So there's a lot less gyration in that index because of the 500 stocks. Some sectors within the S&P could be stronger than others, so therefore it's causing less of a violent moves up and down. But anyway, that's by the by. Here we are at the end of a week. It looks like it's going to be an up week. Excuse me, just about. And so there we are. I hope everyone is keeping well, and I look forward to speaking with you again on Monday next week, Monday the 11th. That's my granddaughter's third birthday. So I'll be giving her a little video call on that day, just having a chat with her. But anyway, as I said, hope all's well. I will speak to you again, and until Monday, bye-bye for now.